how to fix stick drift on an Xbox controller. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that'll hopefully help you fix any stick drift issues you have on your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S controller. And we won't be using any tools, so we don't have to take apart the controller. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I would recommend doing is just extending the sticks all the way and then rotating. Try doing this for about a minute, and we're just trying to break up any dirt that's gotten into the sticks and causing that drift. Additionally, you can switch direction, go back, and just try to break up that dirt. So do this for a little bit, see if it helps. Additionally, you can try pushing down on the sticks and then rotating and switching directions. And then once you've done those movements, what I recommend doing is trying to blow in the area between the stick and the controller. So if you have some cleaning duster or something like this, like compressed air, you can make sure you follow the instructions on the can and blow it into the groove, and that might help clear up any dirt and really fix your stick drifts issues. Additionally, you can try lifting up on the stick, and that may help the air get under the controller and clear out that dirt as well. Some other movements you can try are going to be up and down, left and right. We're just trying to move it a lot to break up the dirt and then blow it out. So hopefully those steps helped you fix your stick drift issues on your Xbox controller. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.